Best smart speakers under $50. Budget voice assistants compared. Best smart speakers under $50. Budget voice assistants compared. When you think of smart home technology, it's easy to assume you need to drop serious cash just to get started. The good news? That's simply not true anymore. Today's budget smart speaker market is packed with capable devices that deliver impressive functionality without the premium price tag. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into voice control for the first time or expand your existing smart home setup, finding the right device under $50 is entirely possible. You just need to know what to look for. Why budget smart speakers make sense. Before diving into specific models, let's talk about why a budget smart speaker is actually a smart investment. These devices have become the gateway to smart home living, allowing you to control lights, adjust thermostats, play music, and access information hands-free. The barrier to entry has dropped significantly in recent years, making it possible for anyone to experience voice assistant convenience without a significant financial commitment. For many households, a sub-$50 smart speaker serves as the perfect testing ground to see if voice control fits your lifestyle before investing in premium models or building out a larger ecosystem. Amazon Echo Dot, the reigning budget champion. The Amazon Echo Dot consistently ranks as the best cheap smart speaker on the market. And for good reason. This compact device punches well above its weight, offering access to Alexa's extensive ecosystem at a price point that rarely exceeds $30 during sales. The latest generation provides improved audio quality compared to earlier versions, making it suitable for small to medium-sized rooms. What makes the Echo Dot particularly appealing is its versatility. You can use it as a standalone speaker, integrate it with your existing audio system via Bluetooth or a 3.5mm jack, or leverage it as a hub for other smart home devices. The device's small footprint means it fits easily on nightstands, shelves, or kitchen counters without taking up valuable space. Google Nest Mini, the privacy-conscious alternative. If you prefer Google's ecosystem, the Nest Mini deserves serious consideration. Priced competitively with the Echo Dot, this affordable smart display alternative offers excellent voice recognition and integration with Google services like Gmail, Calendar, and Google Home. The Nest Mini includes a physical mute switch that physically disconnects the microphone, a feature many privacy-conscious users appreciate. Its wall mount capability makes it particularly useful in kitchens or bathrooms where counter space is limited. The device also includes a useful feature that lets you control playback volume by tapping the top, adding an intuitive physical interface to voice commands. Affordable smart displays. Getting more than just audio. The smart speaker category has expanded to include affordable smart display options, and several models remain under the $50 threshold. Smart displays like the Echo Show 5 or Google Nest Hub represent the next step up from audio-only speakers, giving you visual feedback alongside voice responses. While these might stretch your budget slightly depending on current sales, they're worth considering if you want to see weather forecasts, control smart home devices with a visual interface, or use video calling. The compact screen sizes make them ideal for bedside tables or kitchen countertops, and the visual element significantly enhances the user experience for many people. Understanding voice assistant ecosystems. Choosing between Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant often matters more than the specific hardware. Alexa has a broader compatibility range with third-party smart home devices, making it ideal if you're building a diverse smart home setup. Google Assistant excels at natural language understanding and integration with Google services. Before purchasing any budget smart speaker, consider which services you already use and which ecosystem aligns better with your existing devices. This decision often proves more important than saving $10 by choosing a less compatible option. Sound quality and room size considerations. While budget smart speakers won't replace dedicated speakers for serious music listening, they've improved noticeably in audio quality. The Echo Dot speaker is surprisingly capable for its size, handling podcasts, audiobooks, and casual music listening with decent clarity. If you're primarily using your device for voice commands and occasional music in a bedroom or kitchen, this quality level is entirely adequate. However, if you plan to use your smart speaker as a primary music source for entertaining or larger rooms, you might need to budget slightly more or plan to connect it to external speakers via Bluetooth. Smart home integration and automation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.